So today is going to be pretty cool. We're going out to Calgary. We're going to go and check out B-Pro, which is like a Japanese domestic import car facility. It's kind of like a dealership in Calgary. So we're going to go and see if we can find that guy. We're going to go and check out some JDM cars, and you're going to meet some people while we do that. Off to go and get Marcus.
What's that thing on your rear view?
What?
What is that thing on? Is that like an anal bead?
Is that an anal bead? Nah. Why do you have some answering to do?
Don't worry about it.
It probably is.
Oh, you don't like the music?
No. I eat pork.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not. Hey,
That's
don't
a
put
sin
this
in here.
No.
That's a sin in this car.
Yeah.
Worked on Civics for a year, right? I know what they look like.
Yeah. This is 2020. Have you
No,
not
it's
seen
not.
the
It's
trailers?
probably an 06 or an 07 because it's definitely over an 05 because I know I have an 05.
Have you not seen the? Sorry. Hey,
Oh
don't record
man,
that,
you can't cuss in the videos, man. You know, normally I bleep people out with like a dolphin, but I'm gonna bleep you out with a rubber ducky.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 'cause you're tiny.
Okay.
Dude, okay. Look how small this dude is in his little Civic. Like, there is a clear foot above his head. Like, I mean, I have to pad down the hair a bit, and you get a little over a foot.
Who's
but
giving you guys a ride, huh? Who's giving you guys a ride?
Man, like, I thought I looked small on my truck, but damn. Left. Turn left. Go left. No, no, no. Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. You have to. Oh, Marty. All right, cool. See you in a sec. Bye. He started talking again as I hung up.
Wow, rude.
I'm a horrible human.
Yeah, you are. It's
Sometimes.
because you're a ginger.
Why do you hate gingers?
Oh yeah, why are you hitting it?
I can't wait till the day that you have little baby gingers running around. You're like, I hate every last one of you.
Oh.
We're gonna be like,
She's literally, I'm gonna pull up this video and I'm gonna be like, this is what your mom said like 10 years ago.
we're gonna have a little Irish family. Everyone's
man.
gonna be redhead.
Alright. I'm Marcus.
I'm sitting on a seat.
Hello. To all the tens of people who are gonna see this.
Tens of people.
You're gonna be
Fix
famous
that.
one day.
Let's hope not.
Why not?
That sounds like a real headache, honestly.
Could be.
Yeah, there's like a four-way intersection.
Okay, you gotta lead me.
Yeah, I got you. And I'll say at the last second, so you throw us all into the ditch.
Oh my god, please.
How good are you with your handbrake?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, Alana prefers the handbrake method.
Yep.
Okay, Alana, time to shine.
No.
This is your time to make a impression.
Deone, don't
What?
do that.
What? Come on.
Deone,
Come on, you got it. What? Oh, that's a hand. Why not?
Guys, you don't zoom in on my face.
Yeah, I do.
Don't do
I want to be able to see you.
that. Okay, well, don't zoom in on my face. Zoom out.
Come out from hiding and I won't zoom in anymore.
You will.
I won't.
That's a poor ultimatum. The ultimatum.
There's a poor old tomato. What?
I said that's a poor ultimatum.
I know what you said.
He said tomato.
The ultimatum.
The ultimato. Okay, Marty, explain how your heater core uses your gas.
Something you can understand.
No, just you gotta tell me.
You don't
man.
understand.
You gotta tell me.
Only a car guy knows.
A car guy
Like that?
knows. Hey Marcus, did you know?
I'm not chipping it. You dug this hole yourself. You're fine. No.
Marty.
Yeah, don't get him into this.
No. You
explain
tell
yourself,
me.
huh?
You tell me. How does it use your gas?
You explain how driving an extra fan and rerouting heat at a faster rate wouldn't use fuel. What else would it use?
Exactly. Wait, what?
Yeah, exactly.
No. It does not.
What else would it use?
It does not use gas.
You're gonna embarrass yourself.
Hey, you agree with me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
How? What?
Get out of here, Deone.
Yeah, right. Okay, if you have the heat coming off the motor going into the coolant, that doesn't take any gas.
What drives the fan, Deone?
Electricity.
Electricity. What generates the electricity?
The alternator.
All right. What drives the alternator?
The battery. Just kidding. No, it's... Yeah, but like... The fan only draws a very low amperage.
Oh,
No,
you
does it?
know the specific power, drain?
Guaranteed, it's only like 2 amps.
Doesn't the belt?
At most. Oh my god, did you just learn mechanics? I don't know if you even noticed.
What? Did you take my granola bar, huh?
What?
I smell it! I smell the strawberry! Oh god.
There's no granola bag. What?
Oh man, you're confusing.
There's a whole box of them.
This is all your fault, Alana.
I'm trying
It's
to.
all your fault!
You keep missing the turn.
Oh god.
He's gone from growling to aggressive crying.
Turn right immediately. Don't miss the turn,
Just-
or else we're gonna have to go around Calgary. Turn right.
You got this. I'm leaving you, Marty.
No.
Damn it, Marty.
What? This is the show, right?
No, we're not going to the show.
Oh, there's a way though. There's a way.
Close though. That's like a junkyard. That can't be it.
Maybe it is.
Oh, JDM, right here. Right here. JDM.
JDM Tuners.
It's this way. It's closed. Yeah, it's right there. It's closed.
Oh my god.
It's closed.
JDM. It's a sign.
It's closed. I told y'all.
No!
I told y'all. You know what? Get. Go. Get.
He mad.
We should go to a Toyota.
Oh, you want to see Toyota, huh? You want to see Toyota? Oh, really? I'll show you Toyota. I'll show you. What's the next destination?
Did we ever find an actual address for B-Pro?
Apparently they don't exist.
I know, right?
I can't.
I was
find,
looking
like,
everywhere.
in enthusiast forums, on Google, on like JDM forums, on specific forums for Calgary. I got nothing. You know what I got? Nothing.
Yeah, so everything was closed. We couldn't get in, gated fences and everything. So instead of going there, we decided that we would go around and take some photos in downtown Calgary while we're here. So I'll show you guys this massive head behind me. It's pretty insane. See, I guess that's in Calgary, but there's so much snow everywhere. Let's get back inside, man.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god, it is so cold. It's just that wind.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
He looks like a terrorist.
Who? It might be too dark, but I'm gonna try.
It's cold as shit out there.
Like,
This is the only solution. I'm here to steal your girl.
You can.
On my way to ninja your girl. I'm gonna throw a shuriken at her heart.
Get down! I can't see shit! I got room, are you sure? Okay, I don't got enough room.
You got like 4 more feet.
Okay, that's enough. I don't trust you, Alana.
okay, so that trip was a little bit of a bust. We basically made it down to Calgary, stopped to go and get some coffee, you know, whatever. We went to go and find B-Pro. They're definitely known for being in like Calgary, but the thing is, like, they have no presence as far as an actual location goes, which is really weird. We searched like forums, we searched their website, we searched their Facebook, literally Google Maps. No place on earth is located for B-Pro. So we couldn't find them. By the time we got down there, we realized that. And then we went to JDM Connection and we were actually able to find it. However, the thing is, they actually had like the gates locked and everything. It wasn't like an actual car lot. You couldn't just like walk out and just go and check out the cars and stuff. You actually had to be there during business hours, and they probably had to escort you through. And fair, if they're trying to be safe with all their product and their cars and stuff. Kind of shitty to an extent, because we did want to go and see some of the cars that they maybe had, and since one of my friends is actually in the market to actually buy a car. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty good trip and stuff, and we still had fun. But Still kind of disappointed that we didn't get to see some 4-banger spoolie boys. I guess I'll just save that for next time when we actually end up going down and maybe Marcus buys a car or something like that. Anyways, I am going to end the video here, so I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride and hanging out with us and stuff. And I hope you guys have a good one.
What's the problem, Marty?
Just try again.
Okay. Next me, she wants to smash.
Then you're gonna
Hey.
travel to where?
What was that, Marty? Nothing.
What if a girl likes
Marty
you and
wants
wants to
to
smash?
Hey, don't worry about it.